Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Google One VPN feature. As of 2026, the standalone Google One VPN service has been discontinued for most subscribers. Google retired the feature on June 20, 2024, citing low usage. However, the technology has been integrated into other Google services or replaced by device-specific alternatives. Now, to use Google's VPN specifically, you have to own a Google Pixel phones. Pixel 7 and newer models have built-in VPN by Google, formerly known by VPN by Google One. Now to enable this feature, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on your setting option, head to network and internet. From there, you should be able to find this VPN option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you will find this built-in VPN by Google option. Go ahead and tap on it. From there, if the VPN is available in your region, it should be shown over here and you can turn it on and use it freely. And now if you are not Google Pixel phone user, what you can do is go ahead and open your Play Store, then head to search bar and type in VPN. From there, find yourself a best VPN and select any of their services. And once you do so, you should be able to use VPN. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.